Welcome to Vertex Study Planner. Our features: registered courses, view course outline, view schedule and track your progress, daily auto reminders, custom notifications reminders. Log into your account. Use your Vertex portal email address. You can check the profile information, frequent access your course, and your schedule course by clicking on the course. Click on the course list and search your course name on the search bar. Select a course to view outline. You can view the details of the course and topic videos. Also check the optional courses by clicking on this Shift tab. Check your course schedule and see the progress of the course. Update your course status by applying your each topic. Click on the notification and set alarm. Edit your timings. Add notes. And select your custom days of your custom notification. You can turn on and off your alarm or delete the set alarm. The reminder will notify you about the task and you can check your today's reminders. Vertex Study Planner. Changing behavior through education. Download the app now.